Lecture 10. Getting started with PowerPoint. Hi everyone. Welcome to our session on PowerPoint, a fun and easy to use program for creating awesome presentations. Today, we'll explore what PowerPoint is, its different parts, and how you can use it to create amazing slides. Ready? Let's get started. After learning this lecture, students will be able to work on MS PowerPoint, understand the interface of the PowerPoint, understand the different views of PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a powerful program that helps us make slideshows. It's part of Microsoft Office and is used for both personal and professional purposes. You can use PowerPoint to create attractive presentations filled with pictures, videos, text, and animations. It's great for school projects or sharing ideas in a cool way. Plus, you can even add recordings, narrations, and transitions to make your presentations extra fun. PowerPoint's main view. When you open PowerPoint, you'll see several important areas. File tab. This is where you can save, open, or start a new presentation. Quick Access Toolbar. Found above the ribbon, this toolbar gives you shortcuts for commands like save, undo, and redo. Ribbon. A big bar with tools to customize your slides like fonts, colors, and animations. Slide area. The main area where you create and edit your slides. Slide pane. A section that shows all your slides in sequence. You can add, delete, or rearrange slides here. Notes section. Add speaker notes to remember what to say during your presentation. Zoom control. Lets you zoom in to see details or zoom out for an overview. The ribbon. The ribbon is like the control center of PowerPoint. It has three important parts. Tabs. These are sections like Home, Insert, and Design that organize tools. Groups. Each tab has groups of related tools such as fonts or alignment options. Commands. These are the buttons you click to make changes like bolding text or adding pictures. Menu categories in the ribbon. Let's look at some of the main menu categories. Home. For basic tools like text, fonts, and formatting. Insert. To add pictures, tables, or fun shapes. Design. To choose slide layouts and themes. Transitions and animations. Add movement between slides or to objects. Slideshow. Preview how your slides will look during a presentation. Review. Check spelling and add comments. View. Adjust how you see your presentation, like switching to a slide sorter. Backstage view. The Backstage view is accessed by clicking the File tab. This is where you manage your presentation, like saving or printing it. It has 3 panes. First pane. This lists main commands like save, open, and print. Second pane shows extra options for the selected command, like printer settings. Third pane displays a preview of your file or its properties. Options in the first pane. The first pane has several commands. Info shows details about your file. New lets you create a new presentation. Open opens saved files. Save and save as saves your work or saves it with a new name. Print sets up your printer and prints your slides. Share and export shares your file or saves it in a different format, like PDF. Close exits the current presentation. Options customizes how PowerPoint works for you. Slide views and zoom options. PowerPoint also has special tools for working with your slides. Slide views. Found at the bottom of the screen, these buttons let you switch between views like normal or slide sorter. Zoom control. A slider at the bottom right corner lets you zoom in or out for a closer or broader view of your slides. Slide pane. The slide pane is where all your slides are displayed in order. It's like a table of contents for your presentation. You can add, delete, or rearrange slides easily from this section. And that's it for today's session on PowerPoint. You've learned about what PowerPoint is, its parts, and how to use tools like the ribbon, backstage view, and slide pane to create amazing presentations. Now it's your turn to practice and make something awesome. Thank you for joining and see you the next time.